How to fix Growtopia 403 forbidden. So this error means your connection is being blocked from accessing Growtopia servers, and it usually happens because your IP is blocked, like a temporary or permanent way. For some reason, you're using a VPN or proxy, your device or network is sending suspicious traffic, the service blocking certain regions or connections, or your internet provider or connection is causing bad routing. So most cases can be fixable in a way. So the first one is to basically just turn off any VPNs or proxies, one of the most common fixes. Growtopia blocks many VPN or IPs, so turn off your VPN or proxy if you do have any, and then restart Growtopia. Exit the game and re-enter and try connecting again. If you didn't know you were on a VPN, you can check if your Wi-Fi or router has a built-in VPN, since those does exist. You can also try restarting your router if you're already at the router setup. Turn off your router for 30 to 60 seconds and then turn it back on. Then, with that, restart Growtopia again. Every time you do a process, restart the game, since this forces a new IP which often removes the block. Another is to try switching network as well. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to your mobile data if you have some. If you're on mobile data, do the opposite. So go to your Wi-Fi or try just using different connections as well, since Growtopia may be blocking only one of your IP ranges. But before everything else, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection itself is stable and good. You can look through different platforms like YouTube and see if you're lagging there. If you're lagging, then that usually means your problem is the Wi-Fi connection. So make sure it's stable. You can try different connections as we just mentioned, but another is to just go ahead and try clearing your DNS cache. If you're doing it on your mobile, you can go ahead into your settings over here. In your settings, just go ahead and search for apps like so, and then once you're in your apps, just search for Growtopia. So you can search for Growtopia or scroll down for it if you want, but you'll be able to find it either way. So in the bottom right corner, there is a clear data button. Just go ahead and press on clear cache. This clears old routing or old files that really isn't useful anymore, and could possibly help you with this problem. And one of the last things you can do if none of them work is to try using a different device or reinstalling Growtopia. You could either go to your Play Store and uninstall it from there, like Growtopia. You already know how to uninstall and reinstall the game, so I don't think we need to show you that. But this resets your connection files, and it won't fix a banned IP. It only fixes corrupt local data. If you are banned though for some reason, you can wait out the temporary IP ban if nothing works. When Growtopia detects too many logins or bot-like behavior, packet loss, or tampering apps, you may get a temporary 403 on your IP. So this usually clears in 3 to 24 hours though, so you can go ahead and wait it out and maybe play the next day. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.